Hi everybody, it's Miss Deb. It's March, and March is National Craft Month. So this month we have a kit. It's for a boho wall hanging, and the kit will have all of the supplies that you need to make this fun wall hanging for your wall. The only thing you'll need from home are scissors, but we will give you a wire ring, we will give you some beads, we will give you yarn, and we will give you an instruction packet. So I will show you how I made this one. And then you can call the library. The packets are available. You can come into the library and get them in a browsing appointment, or you can call us and pick them up curbside. You can either pick them up before we do this, I'm advertising it on our calendar, or if you're just seeing this today and you want to come in and get one, we will have some and you can come on in and get them. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my wire ring, and then we have given you yarn. We didn't cut it, so you can cut it to whatever lengths you want. I found that 12 or 13 inches works really well. So you take it and you kind of double it like that, and then you lay your ring over it, and then you pull the two ends through the loop and you pull, and that gives you your hanging thread. I'll show you how to do that again just so you can remember. So this goes here, and then you pull these two through and you make a loop. And so what you're going to do, you're going to have two colors of yarn, so you can do all one color this way, or you can alternate them, but you do one layer, and then in the next layer, I'll do one more just so you have a little area to work with. So we're going to do that again, pull it through and pull it tight, and then it makes like a nice knot. Now so each kit will have some pony beads and some wooden beads. Now the big wooden bead is pretty easy to do. So what you're going to do is you're going to take one end of the yarn and pull it through, but then you're going to take the other side and pull it through too. It might, I pull this down, and then that will go through a little easier. You might need to poke it with a pin or scissors to get it all the way through. Let's see if I can hurry up and pull that out. Okay, well, let's try again. So just be patient, it will go through. Okay, so then you've got your bead, and you're going to pull tight like that, and so it is locked onto your thread. Then you're going to take your thread, you're going to loop it just like we did before, put this part of the loop underneath, pull the two things through, including the bead, pull it, and then there's your bead, okay? So you can put the bead anywhere you want on your ring. And then I will show you, it's a little trickier with the pony beads because they're smaller, but it does work. You pull one through, and then you take the other end, you turn it around because you want to be sure that you're wrapping the bead in the thread, pull down on the thread, and then try to push this through. I'm going to push it through with my fingers. Oh, there it is, and you kind of grab it. If you have longer fingernails, that helps. Anyway, so there you go. Again, your bead is tight on the loop, and then you can slide it down as far as you want. You could put it up close to the loop, you could put it down lower, and then you're going to come right around. You're going to pull your two loops through the big loop, and you've made another one, and you can see this one is a little bit lower than the wooden bead. So that's how you kind of go about it. I will try one more pony bead, and I'll try to make it, I will try to make it a little higher or a little lower so that you can see that. And each kit will have enough yarn for you to make enough loops for you to get it through to make a nice wall hanging. And it will also have one nice wooden bead. We'll have one nice wooden bead, and then we will have a bunch of colorful pony beads in the kit, and you can use those to create your hanging however you want, whatever colors you like. All right, so we're going to pull this one, we're going to turn it around, and we're going to pull this one through. So we're going to try to push this back this way. You can see I'm trying to get it through. It's a little fuzzy on the end, so it's a little hard, but usually you can grab it and it pulls through. Okay, and then you pull it tight, and then the bead is secure on the thing. Now I'm going to push this one down really low, and then I've got a blue one on this side, so I'm going to let's see, I'm going to try to put this on this side. So again, you take your loop and you put it under the ring, and then you pull the two ends over and through the loop, and then pull tight, and you can see the bead is a little bit lower. And so once you've done it all and you've gotten all your beads on, you can trim it. Like, so I trimmed, this is the final, you can take your scissors and you can trim it like in a V, or you can trim it straight across, just however you want, because it's for your room and it's going to be your wall hanging. So that's how we did it. If you would like a kit, please call the library. I think we have plenty. We have enough available for a few people to call. I think we have 22 kits. So give us a call at 333-6640, and we will put aside a kit for you, and you can make this wonderful boho yarn wall hanging for your room. The other thing, if you don't want to do the wall hanging, these rings are also good for making dream catchers. So you just kind of put the yarn wherever you want. But you could do either one. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope that you'll call us and get a wall kit for National Craft Month in March.